Juju here, and welcome back to another Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be going ahead and continuing building our PTP clients. And so how this is going to work is we're going to open up a stream for output and input, depending on whether the choose user goes ahead and inserts, makes this the server or the opposite a server. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and right now implement runnable. That way we can use this run to listen constantly for users. But we'll actually use this later. Let's go ahead and concentrate on the main method for now. And what we're going to be doing is, for those who don't know, this args here, what it is that if you are, how to explain this? If you go ahead and open command window, if you know a few commands like ping or ipconfig, basically what an arg is that an argument is anything that you type after this command. So if I go ahead and type ping Google, and what this is going to do, it's going to go ahead and ping google.ca, and google.ca is actually the argument, and arguments are split by spaces. So this would be argument 0 and this would be argument 1. So if that may seem a bit confusing, but I hope that it'll make sense when we're done. So let's go ahead and type if the arg's length. So if they did enter an argument, we're going to try and set port equal to the integer value of args 0. Okay, and it has a problem with it. Oh, right. To be able to edit these, we're going to have to add static. I forgot about that. So let's go ahead and just copy and paste that real quick. Alright, now we're all set. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add one major try-catch statement here. And catch exception EX. And I'm just going to type print out and occurred in main. Yep, good enough. Alright, so what we're going to do is if they did enter a port, we're going to assume that they mean that they want to be the server. So if we go ahead and type if port does not equal 2231, we're just going to call up setup server. And you don't have to do this here. This is just for being a little user friendly. But if they don't, let's go ahead and oh, we didn't create a scanner, did we? Oh wait, no, we already created it. We created our scanner up here. Input equals x dot next line. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go up here and say Juju's PTP client and just go ahead and add a extra /n there, so that it'll be double lined, and down here we're going to go ahead and print out enter listen or connect. I guess that's pretty self-explanatory, and in brackets here we'll just tell them to say L or C. I think that'd be pretty self-explanatory. And whoops, that is not a semicolon. Alright, and so if input dot equals ignore case, and if you're not familiar with equals ignore case, it's just like equals. However, we're just ignoring case sensitivity. Pretty useful. So let's go ahead and say L. If they did enter L, we're going to set up server. Else if they entered C, go ahead and set up connection, and otherwise just tell them that they didn't enter a proper invalid operation. Try typing L or C. And what we want to just do, you're probably also wondering, hey, Juju, these are all erroring. What's going on here? What it is that we are actually going to build and design those methods, but we haven't done so yet. So we are going to get to it, we just haven't done it yet, so just ignore them for now. But in the finally, what we want to do is we want X to close. We probably want to say print line server closed, cleaning up, and go ahead and if what we're going to need is actually try in our final statement. So we're actually going to try something as a final statement. So that might seem a bit odd, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type if data, or we just called it output stream, does not equal null. Let's go ahead and close it, and we'll do that for all four of them. So input stream, and this one was called socket, just S, and this one was server socket. Alrighty, and if it does error, let's go ahead. Oh, that is not how you spell exception. Oh god. Exception. There we go. And let's just God, my typing today doesn't seem to be working out for me. Error occurred during cleanup. And what we're actually going to do is just go ahead and type cleanup, and we'll make this globalized a method. That way we can call it again later. So private static void, and then we called it cleanup, and go ahead and paste that. Whoa. Okay. So how are we doing for time here? All right. It's 10 minutes in, so I'm gonna leave it here. It may seem confusing right now. Hopefully you'll understand later when we start getting into the actual server and connection. So, but this is my time for now. Go ahead and leave a like if you found this useful. This is Juju, and hope to see you in the next tutorial.